Want to create videos from just text? Today I will show you an AI tool that turns your text into professional looking videos in just seconds. Okay, let's start this video. Hi guys, first of all you have to open Chrome or any browser. After that you have to search here hygiene. This AI tool is very popular. You have to just click it. Now what you have to do, you have to sign in an account. I already created account so I log in. Now here are different options. You can use AI voice, avatars, templates already set, and just you have to create a video. Click on create a video. You have to use avatar video. You have to use its ratio. Now what do you need? You now know you need script. YouTube need script. You have to copy script. Here you have to choose a template, any template that you want to create a video. Okay, I choose this template. This template. Now I can edit its script to mine. Now you see its script voice generate. Now you can also change its avatar or different avatar.
Hey there! Want to create professional quality videos in minutes? With AI powered tools, you don't need expensive equipment or a film crew.
So I just created. Now you can change its avatar. You can use other avatar that match the video. And after that you can also edit the picture image. It's too easy. Now you just click on it and play. Now the animation is not shown. When you submit the video, it will show.
Hey there! Want to create professional quality videos in minutes? With AI.
In this way you can use many scenes in the video. Step by step tutorial. You can submit the video here. Now that is this. You can create AI powered video in minutes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Now you can see the video is created and the animation will be shown. For example,
Imagine a world where AI does the impossible, from creating art to
also created from AI. Similarly, this video is also created by AI. You can use this. and this tool is really amazing. Thanks for watching my video.